Hey y'all, it's Lisa with Hobbie Time, ready for another fun video. A whole case, yes that's right, a whole case of Five Nights at Freddy's. Ready? Let's get into it. Check it out guys, Five Nights at Freddy's, they're making a movie. It's coming out in October this year, 2023. So I thought I would do some Five Nights at Freddy's mystery boxes. We got a whole case here, whole thing. Special delivery. They have other ones, and we can do some of those. Let me know what you think about Five Nights at Freddy's. If you watch it, are going to watch the movie. I'm not going to watch the movie. My kids are going to watch the movie. Check it out. It's a cool box. Alright. Let's start digging into these. Whatever, just pop open nice. Oh, they're soft. It said vinyl figure, so why does it feel soft? Okay. Oh, they're bubble... Man, okay. They're really wrapped in here. Alright, first one we got. Looks like we have the High Score Chica. Really cool. Really sturdy vinyl. Hard plastic. Really cool looking. Okay. What do you think? At first, through the box, I seriously thought I was holding a cupcake because I didn't look close enough. Then I was like, oh, okay, that's not what it is. But that's cool. All right, keep going, keep going. I like that it comes with bubble wrap. They really secured these things in here. I thought it was a stuffed animal. They had it so wrapped up. Hope we don't have any dupes. We can wait and see. Let me know, do you guys have a favorite character? Because this is the Toy Freddy Orange. Oh, I'm sorry, I lied. This is the System Error Bonnie. Really cool looking. I like them. Like, all the details. Oh, kind of flimsy on the ear, so I guess you would kind of easily break these if played with a lot. But really cool. Good size. I wouldn't say they're mini, but, you know, good size. I like them. They're pretty nifty. You play the game a lot? I haven't played it. Again, I don't like horror movies or horror games or anything like that. My children play them a lot. They're, like I said, they're excited to see the movie coming out in October. Like I said, there's the whole list of who we can have here. See, that's why I said it was orange. I saw that, but it was this one. They had a security breach box, too. I'm thinking I'm going to have to go get that box. Those ones look really cool. Very interesting. Alright. Okay, so this is... Radioactive Foxy. Oh, super cool looking. Rawr. Like the hook. Really? Oh, it's like so, like half see-through, half not. Really like this one. That's really cool looking. These are really well done. Alright. These are also done by Funko. So that's pretty cool. They seem to be doing a really good job with their products. I have done, just like my odd avocados are also done by Funko. So guess I'll be getting some more of their stuff. You know, Funko, if you catch wind, feel free to send some of your product and sponsor, you know. Definitely open a lot of your stuff. Alright. Alright, we got a purple one. This is Heartsick baby? Yeah, Heartsick baby. All the details. Got some crazy eyes. There we go. Kind of curious to see what this Arctic Balloon Boy one looks like. Uh-oh, I ripped the box a little bit. Alright, looks like we have a mangle. Wow, look at all the detail on this one. Look at that. Really cool looking. I like this one a lot. I don't know which one's my favorite yet, but I do like this one a lot. Alright. After this, we have 6 more to go. Seriously, no dupes. As soon as I said no dupes, seriously, no dupes so far, we got another one. System error Bonnie. Am I saying it wrong? I think I am. No, it is system error Bonnie. I'm right. Okay. We have 2 of those. We need to get some different ones here. Come on, change it up, change it up. Maybe I jinxed it by saying no dupes and then we got a dupe. I know my son, he's gonna be like, oh, you got a dupe? I'll take that. Okay, different. Just Freddy. Ooh, he's fun. He's very fun. Look at him. Kind of looks like he should be squishy with this little see-throughness. I enjoy it. Why? I mean, when you get a case, they don't guarantee that they're all going to be different. You just hope that they are. I just went to GameStop and I said, I'll be taking these. And took the whole box. It's another dupe, guys. Another dupe. Alright, alright, alright. Just yeeting these boxes on the floor. So, hopefully we've opened something that you've liked. Oh my goodness. Well, unacceptable to get 3 of them. Come on. Let me see. I want to see maybe like this one here. Springtrap, somebody different. Can't have all of them be chicas. I mean, is that like a highly sought after popular one or what? Get off. If this is another chica, guys. Nope. It's still another dupe though. We got another Freddy. Great googly moogly. Unacceptable with these dupes. Come on, something different. Roll the dice. Dun, 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 dun. That's super glued down. Thanks for not opening. I can't even tell. Okay, I was about to be mad. I saw purple and I really was like, really another Freddy? But no, hey look, we got Springtrap. Somebody different. He is really cool looking, kind of creepy. Like, not just kind of, but he's like super creepy. Look at that. That's cool, that's cool. Here, you dupes get over here. Unnecessary dupes. Little extras. Extra parts here. You guys over here. You dupes stay over there. Last one, guys. Last one of our boxes. Hopefully, wow, this one's mashed. Hopefully something different in here. Oh, the bottom was open. What the heck? Alright. Hopefully, hopefully, hopefully. Okay, it is somebody different. We got 8-Bit Baby. Still, I didn't see Arctic Balloon Boy. But it's okay. We got 8-Bit Baby. As long as it's not a dupe. So, all in all, I'm glad we got Radioactive. So we got this whole top row. This one. This one. This one. This one. We're missing just a couple of them. But, what do you guys think? Of the ones I opened, which one did you like best? Which one do you wish we would have opened or found? And which one do you personally like out of the game? Let me know. Alright. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!